Welcome back. Today we're stripping things down to the basics with a minimalist tractor doodle. Grab your fine liner and a grey marker and let's get started. We'll start with the foundation. Draw a large, bold circle for the rear drive wheel, and a much smaller one for the front. This size difference is what instantly gives it that tractor silhouette. Now, connect them with a simple rectangle for the engine block. Notice I'm leaving some white space in the wheels for a hubcap look. Add a tiny steering wheel and that signature tall exhaust pipe. Don't worry about making it perfect. A little tilt adds character. For the details, add some vertical grille lines and a curved fender. Now, let's bring it to life with color. I'm using a vibrant lime green. Using just one bright color against the black and gray makes the whole drawing pop. Finally, ground your drawing with a soft gray shadow underneath. It's a tiny detail, but it keeps the tractor from looking like it's floating. And there you have it. Clean, simple, and stylish.